Hello, good evening, friends. Today I'm going to explain the oxides of nitrogen. So we will study the oxides of nitrogen. Let us see that nitrogen is having the number of oxides like that N2O, NO, NO2, N2O4, N2O3, N2O5. So there are six oxides are there. Nitrogen, but in this video lecture we are going one or to study one or two. Let us study very first one, N2O. So N2O is also known as dinitrogen oxide. Since two nitrogen is there, so name of this N2O is dinitrogen oxide. Dinitrogen oxide. If you go for the second name of this N2O, so it is also having the one more name. The name is nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide. Okay, this is also named nitrous oxide. Now you can ask that why its name is nitrous oxide. See, if the plus one oxidation state is there, low oxidation state, if anything is having low oxidation state, so for that we use the word terms OUS, us. And for the high oxidation state, we use the terms, that is oxidation state, we use the terms IC, okay, ic, like nitric acid, that is plus 5 oxidation state. If low oxidation state is there, so that is us acid. So like HNO2, that is nitrous acid. So this is what since it is having the plus 1 oxidation state, so its name become the nitrous acid. Now the common name, another common name it is having on the basis of its property, that is laughing gas. This is also the N2O is having the name laughing gas, because of its unique properties of the producing the convulsion. This is also known as laughing gas, the high excitement. Now what we have to do in this chapter, what is there in our syllabus, we have to study the preparation and uses, along with that structure. So three things we have to study. First one, let us study, that is preparation. So that is preparation method we have to study laboratory method. So how to prepare this laughing gas into, see, you take any nitrate, suppose we are taking, that is ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3, and if you heat this ammonium nitrate, it will give, that is N2O, along with it will give, that is water molecule, 2 moles of water molecule. And this is what, this is the nitrous, okay, nitrous oxide. This is the nitrous oxide. So this is our required product. And secondly, this can also be prepared by the reaction of the nitric acid on the metal. Suppose we are having the metal like zinc is there, okay, Fe is there, or Sn is there, any of the metal is there, and if you are treating this metal with HNO3 and this 2 you are taking dilute, here is also, if you are taking HNO3, here is HNO3, but all the cases you are taking, that you have to keep in mind that you are taking the dilute, okay. So what this metal will produce, that is always first one compound will be metal nitrate. So that is ZnNO3 will be the common one, ZnNO3 here, and here is what, FeNO3 twice, and here is what, SnNO3, it is also twice. And what other product it will give, that is N2O. In all the cases it will give, that is N2O, and along with it will give the water. So how to prepare, if you are having the reactive metal, and that reactive metal if you are treating with the dilute nitric acid, it will give, that is metal nitrate plus whatever required product is there, laughing gas and or dinitrogen oxide. Okay, so this is the second method. And how the third method, how can you prepare? Suppose, okay, hydroxylamine is there, NH2OH, this is nothing but hydroxylamine, and this if you are treating with nitrous acid, okay, HNO2 is nitrous acid, this is nitrous acid, and if you are treating this nitrous acid with hydroxylamine, it will give what, that is it will give N2O and plus 2 moles of water molecule. So this is again our required product, dinitrogen oxide. Okay, now what we have to do, this is the preparation, and now next heading will be our the chemical properties and physical properties. So next heading we are going to study, that is property. Okay, properties. So what the properties we have to study here, that is this, if you see, that is this is the colorless neutral gas. This is the colorless neutral gas. Okay, neutral gas means neither acidic nor basic. Okay, what is the action of the heat? If you study, if you take that is N2O, and action of heat you study, that is 500 to 900 degrees Celsius. If you heat apply, it will give that is N2 plus O2. So you take 2 here and this will become this here. So at very high temperature it will convert into the dinitrogen and dioxygen. Now the last heading will be for this one, N2O, that we have to study, that is also important one, is its structure. This is the structure is also important. In all the cases of the oxides of nitrogen, the structure is important. So we are going to study next heading, structure of N2O. Structure of N2O, that is nitrous oxide. So how to study the structure of N2O? Let us see. If nitrogen, how many valence octet is required? 8. How much? 24 is required. But how much valence electron is there? 5. And how much is here? If you say this is oxygen, how much is there? Here is 6. So how much? That is 16. So total, how much it will come? If you 8 will come. Total number of electron will come. 8 electron will come. Now what we have to do for this total, otherwise you can understand this way also, that is this 16 valence electron we have to distribute on these 3 atoms. Okay, this 16 valence electron. So if you want to study 16 valence electron, so how to will put, that is the less electronegative will be atom will be put in the center. So that is N is the center, another is oxygen, another side oxygen. Now what we have to do, total number of valence electron you find, that is how many? Total number of valence electron 5, 6, that is 16 electron. So we have to distribute the 16 electron. How to distribute? Here double bond, here double bond. So that is 4, 8 electron we distributed. Here is 2, here is 2, and this side 2, and this side 2. So you see 2 to 4, 4, 4, 8, and 4, 4, 8. So there is 16 electron. If you see lone pair electron, how many are there? So 4 lone pair electron are there, 4 lone pair electron, and bond pair if you see, that is also bond pair, also 4 bond pair electron. So total electron, if you see 4 to the 8 electron, and here is also 8 electron, so total electron is 16. So one structure is this. Okay, now if you want to make another resonating structure of this, so what the resonating structure of this, one more structure is possible. Here we can put N, and here we can put O. Now you distribute the number of electron. Here is how many electron? Bond pair, 4 bond pair we have distributed. Now 4 lone pair also we have to distribute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 lone pair here I have distributed. Now see, for the valency of this, 3 bond here, 1 bond here. So 4 to the 8. This is balance, and here is put. So you see how many lone pair? 1, 2, 3, 4 lone pair, that is 8 electron. 4 bond pair, that is 4 bond pair, that is how many electron? That is 8 electrons. So this is also the 2 structure is possible. Now what we have to do in this case, that what are the bond length? That sometimes they ask the bond length. If you see, that is nitrogen single bond, nitrogen single bond, oxygen. So nitrogen bond length is 113 picometer, and nitrogen oxygen bond length is 119 picometer. So this is our concept behind the structure of dinitrogen oxide. This is all about dinitrogen oxide. Thank you so much for watching, friends.